Have you ever heard of 21st century skincare miracle? Retinoids are a class of chemicals, derivative from vitamin A. This chemical group has wide-range usages in skincare, especially in recent years. Retinoids are well known among skincare providers as substances which have miraculous effects on your body and facial skin, such as acne, scars, and dark spots healing, wrinkles and fine lines reduction, removing age-related changes from your appearance, treating hyperpigmentation or dark circles under your eyes, sun damages treatment. Retinoids products are sold under different market names, according to its concentration level. For example, retinol ester, and also retinol, are normally considered as least concentration, which usually don't need prescription, so you can use them according to a simple guidance. But higher concentration products, named as retinol or retinoic acid, are suggested to be used under skin specialist supervision. Retinoids products exist in different forms, such as face mask, gels, creams, and serums. Most famous OTC concentrations are 0.025, 0.05, and 0.1%. It is recommended to begin your therapy with least dosage, especially if it is your first time using retinoids. Even a low grade would be effective, but you have to commit to it. At least 12 weeks of committing treatment before expecting to see results is needed. Retinoids could have side effects too, especially when using them with high concentration. Over time, the skin builds a tolerance, so while you may experience some redness and irritation when you start using retinol, or another retinoid, due to the increased skin turnover, your skin may be able to handle the ingredient better after a few weeks. Most common side effects are dryness, itching, redness, peeling, and burning. There is another skincare product named niacinamide, which acts much like retinol, but with less effectiveness and also less possible side effects. Niacinamide is recommended for those with high adverse skin reactions to retinol. However, it is a rare condition for you to find retinol as a totally intolerant substance, except for first few weeks. Some companies may even mix them together in their products, to benefit both at the same time. Retinoids in OTC concentrations are regarded as safe ingredients for all people, except for pregnant and breastfeeding women. Retinoids in all different forms contain high level of vitamin A, which is not safe normally to consume in high dosages during pregnancy or breastfeeding for the baby's health, so for those conditions you should consult with your doctor before. Other conditions, such as too sensitive skin, eczema, rosacea, and too much dryness, are required to visit a dermatologist before start using retinoids, even for OTC products. Of course, it's never a bad idea to consult a dermatologist before trying any new skincare product. It's best to apply retinols or retinoids at night, right after washing your face and drying it, because sun exposure can create issues. Sunlight can deactivate retinoic acid healing process. Besides, it increases your skin sensitivity to sunlight UV radiation, and make it vulnerable to sun damage, so it's best to use it at night. There are some common and simple usage rules about retinoids, but for more precise advices, you should refer to your product's guidance sheet. Start using retinoids slowly with least dosage, to provide your skin's tolerance gradually, in order to help reduce irritation. Start by using it twice every week, then every other day. Apply retinoids at night after a brief washing, to avoid irritation and other issues from sunlight exposure. Don't use it with wet face, dry your skin after washing, then apply it. During daytime, use sunscreen, to protect your skin against sunlight UV exposure. Avoid other exfoliants and skincare products, unless they are designed to be used with retinoids in the same product, and your skincare therapist says it's okay. Don't forget to add moisturizers and other hydrating ingredients to your skincare routines. Remember, retinoids product usage results will show after 3 months of being consistent to it, so just be patient to see the upcoming miraculous results. Thank you all guys to evaluate your health by subscribing our YouTube channel and watching our videos. Take care of your beautiful skin.